In the previous session, we added the remove button in the existing as well as in the new list item. Today, let's delete the list item when we click on that button. First, let's add event listener to the list item. So add list item.add event listener, add a click event, and a callback function. Add event as a parameter. Then add if statement. Inside the condition, add event.target.tagName equals button. Then create a variable button and assign them to event.target. We then need to remove the li when we click on the button. This is the parent node of the button, so create another variable li and use button.parentNode. Now that we have access to li, let's use the remove method to remove them. So add li.remove. Check the preview. And now when you click on the remove button, it will remove its list item. Now we don't need this button remove last task. So delete this from index.html. So let's remove the variable from script.js and also remove the code of this add event listener. Check the preview. It is now removed, but we can see a bit more padding at the bottom than at the top. To fix this, open style.css. Use the last style selector in li. Then use margin bottom 0. Check the preview, and this time it looks good. Also, everything works as expected too. Great! This is the end of this final session. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn interacting with the DOM. I will see you again in my next video.